Hey friends, it's Rach with the Ponds Farmhouse, and today I am getting set up for our next supper club party. This month's theme is Chinese dinner party, and I am so excited because I have been doing some DIY projects. I've been out thrifting and have just come up with the cutest table ideas for a Chinese supper club themed party. So I'm going to be taking you along today as I share exactly how I pulled this tablescape together on a budget. And so I hope you'll follow along. Let's get started. Okay, the very first thing that I did was I wanted to decorate behind the table to pull the whole Asian Chinese look together. So what we did was we first of all added a couple of paper Chinese lanterns, and they are hanging from some L hooks that are attached to the wall. And then I actually did some napkin decoupage on some styrofoam balls, different sizes. And what we're going to do is we're going to attach those to the walls. And then I went thrifting and found these paper plate baskets, and these are super inexpensive and you can find them all over at thrift stores. And so we're going to add a few of those over here to the wall as well. Okay, let's take a look at what the wall looks like now. Okay, some of the other things that I did from a DIY standpoint, and you may have already seen this, but I took a very inexpensive ginger jar that I found at a thrift store and did a napkin decoupage on it to give it that chinoiserie type style. And I have the little covered lid here too. And I'm using this with these wispy pieces of greenery and blooms as a centerpiece on the table. So we'll put that back where it belongs. And then another thing that I did was I found some cheap napkin rings. They were four for $1, little wooden napkin rings, and I did the napkin decoupage on those as well. And the way that I'm using those is I'm putting them in with the little chopsticks and a white napkin on the place settings. So that's another cute little inexpensive DIY project that you can do to save money on setting up a table of this nature. Another thing that I decided to do, I bought some sheets of blue and white paper and made paper placemats. And I used two different designs, which I'll show you. This is the first design, and then the second design is a little bit of a larger floral print. So I used those two items. So those were the basis of my setting up my table. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything put together, and then I'm going to share with you what it looks like.